our first 50 BDPs proved the power of extraordinary faculty working across disciplines to address urgent and complex questions. We're so excited for what the future holds for this program as we build upon this foundation and recruit the next cohort of Bloomberg Distinguished Professors and develop these clusters.
Technological innovation has become a major driver of societal change, and that has broad implications in domestic and global contexts. But we don't yet have a robust evidence base to inform formulation and implementation of technology policy on the global stage. I'm Lainey Rutko, and I'm co-leading the Promoting and Governing Technological Advances BDP cluster. This cluster will be a dynamic hub for the university's work at the interface of technology and policy. The Promoting and Governing Technological Advances BDP cluster will carry out an ambitious research agenda in two key areas. First, how can governments work with markets, with academia, and nonprofit organizations to foster and catalyze technological advances through appropriate policy, especially in domains that promise vast benefits for society? Second, when and how should governments act to monitor and govern these technological advances, particularly in areas that pose potential risks to society? We're looking for superstar scholars who have a history of successful cross-disciplinary work and routine interactions with policymakers. The university's Washington, D.C.-based home, the Hopkins Bloomberg Center, along with our recently announced School of Government and Policy, offers the unique and highly visible venue to ground this cluster's work. This cluster will be cross-disciplinary and methodologically diverse. The scholars we recruit will help to ensure that governments and society are prepared for technological advances that we can only dream about today.
The Bloomberg Distinguished Professorships were established in 2013 with a gift from Michael Bloomberg to cultivate the interdisciplinary research ethos that allows us to tackle our biggest questions and meet our greatest societal challenges. Today, it is the largest program of its kind in the nation. Our BDPs will have access to our world-class facilities, including the Applied Physics Laboratory, an unparalleled powerhouse of scientific engineering research, and 555 Pennsylvania Avenue, a state-of-the-art facility in Washington, D.C., inside of the U.S. Capitol building that will bring together faculty and students to engage more directly with the public and policymakers. Faculty will also be joining an institution that for 40 years has led all U.S. universities in research and development spending.